Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the virtual machine so that you can use Windows or Linux or any other operating system in Mac operating system. Okay, first of all, let's download the VirtualBox. To download the VirtualBox, search VirtualBox in Google. So you will find the website Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox. You can click there. Now you can get the link to download the VirtualBox. I am downloading VirtualBox 6.1. After you click there, you can find the appropriate version of VirtualBox. I'm using the Mac operating system, that's why I choose the iOS operating system, and I'm downloading the VirtualBox. Okay, once the download is complete, now open the downloaded file and follow the process to install the VirtualBox. It's the same process as installing any other software in your MacBook. Now open the VirtualBox and in the VirtualBox, now go to the new and type Windows here and do continue. There are different options to select from, but if you are using for the first time, you can go with the default settings. So in this way we have created the Windows machine in the VirtualBox. Now if we do start, we can see here empty. That means we do not have the Windows operating system downloaded yet. We can download the Windows operating system from Microsoft website. In this way you can download the Windows operating system. So once you have this Windows operating system file, then you can do start and add the Windows operating system here, but it is showing some error, and I'll show you how to fix this error as well. To fix this error, go to settings, storage, then you can see empty here, but actually you have to add the Windows operating system in here. For that, you can click on the disk button here and choose a disk file. Then you can choose the Windows operating system from the downloaded file and open it. Now your Windows operating system has been added here. You can find the details and do OK. After you do this, your Windows machine is ready to run and you can do start now. Now you can see there the file, the Windows file. Before it was empty there. Now if you do start, then your Windows operating system is ready to use in Mac operating system. As you know, Windows operating system is not the open source. It's not free to use. You have to pay certain amount to use that. Once you go to the Windows website, Microsoft website, you can pay the certain amount and you can get the activation key. Once you have the activation key, you can enter the key here and you can install the Windows here. Similarly, if you want to use any other operating system such as Linux, then download the operating system. I am downloading the Linux operating system here. So once I reach to this website, Ubuntu Linux website, then here is the download option. This Linux operating system is an open source. You can download and install and use it for free. You don't have to pay any amount to use it. You don't need any activation key like you need in Windows. It is an open source, that's why it's free to use. Once you download the Linux, go to new and type Linux. The default setting will be automatically displayed here, and to continue as the default settings are. Go to settings, storage, and you have to add your file here. Open the disk file and choose the Ubuntu and open it. After you do this, do OK. Now you can do start, and in here choose the appropriate file and do start. In this way you can use Linux operating system. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing.